Hello guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this wig and also how you can save money by just using the same closure on different wigs. So guys, if you find this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. What you need for this tutorial is a closure. I bought this closure at 1500 shillings, and as you can see, it's parted. It's a 4x4 closure. I also bought this weave at 485 shillings. It's kind of semi-human. It has the texture of hierarchy, and as you can see, it blends so well with my closure. For us to make this wig, or for you to save money using the same closure, you're going to cut this closure into 4. Actually, I got this idea from this wig that I bought like 3 years ago. It's like it just has a small closure. So you're going to cut it like this, and then you're going to use this as your closure, and then save the other 3. You're going to use it on other wigs. So by doing this, you're going to save money instead of using the entire closure on the same wig. Watch my previous video on how to make a wig using a closure. I'm actually just using the same process, but now for this one I'm going to use a very small closure. The aim of this video is just to show you guys that you can actually make different wigs using 4x4 closure, and by doing that you're going to save. The thing is just to buy like a weave that is almost the same color as your closure, so that you know, and even if the color doesn't blend so well, this is human hair, you can as well just dye it to resemble your weave. So one thing I love about this weave that I bought is that it's very long, and like one packet is enough for the entire wig. So guys, again, if you've watched my previous videos on how to make a wig, I'm just using the same process. So I'm going to go through the tracks, then through the cap, and then I'm not going to cut my tracks because I don't want to experience any shading, so I'm going to use the fold method. This method is good when you're starting your own hair business. You can make this and sell it to your friends, sell it to your family members. Like, you just buy a closure or buy a frontal and then cut it into small pieces and use it to make wigs. And then you don't have to buy like human hair, you can just use semi-human. I wouldn't advise you to use synthetic hair because you want something that is long lasting or something that someone can blow dry, can play with it. So start your own business, make these wigs and get profit from them. Because like for me, this cap I bought the cap at 200 shillings. I bought the weave at like 485, and then I bought the closure at 1500, but then I'm going to divide it into 4, so that is like 375 shillings for the closure, and sell this at maybe 3k and make your own profit. So at the back, I'm really spacing the tracks like 3 fingers apart, but the more I go closer to the closure, I'm spacing it like 2 or 1 finger apart. So go ahead and flat iron the closure so that it lies flat and blends with your weave. I got this flat iron from AliExpress at $2. Then go ahead and cut the cap so that you're left with your closure. And then I sew the combs on the cap as well. And then of course I'm applying powder just to make sure it blends well with my complexion. You can sell this hair at 3K, 4K, 5K. Like no one can tell that this is not even human hair. Especially if someone looks at the parting, she'll just conclude that this is human hair. So guys, I actually didn't want to try this hair on because I have big braids on my head. Like it didn't lie flat on my head, but I just wanted to show you how it looks on me. So I wore like 3 caps just to make sure my hair lies flat. can see it looks so perfect even though my braids are big. So for straight hair, you must make sure your cornrows or your braids are very flat and small so that the hair lies flat on your head. And then you also don't have to use got-to-be glue. I decided to use it because I just wanted it to be like perfect, but you don't have to use got-to-be glue. So guys, make sure you comment below if you learned something from this video, if you love this video, if you're going to do this. Just leave a comment in the comment section down below. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.